You ever notice how love hits harder than your morning coffee? Like, 1 minute you're minding your business, scrolling on your phone, and the next minute, boom, your heart decides to act like it's in a Netflix drama. Yeah, welcome to love, the only addiction nobody warns you about because everybody's too busy being obsessed with it. Let's be real, love is basically that one friend who shows up uninvited, eats all your snacks, and still expects a hug before leaving. You don't even remember when it entered your life. Suddenly your brain is like, hey, let's think about this person 24/7 for absolutely no reason. And we all fall for it. Every single time. You ever seen someone in love? They look like they just upgraded their life from free trial to premium subscription, and now they're acting brand new. They'll be smiling at their phone like it just sent them their salary. They'll be typing paragraphs like they're writing a novel for Amazon. And if you ask them why they're smiling, they'll hit you with, oh, nothing. Bro, nothing doesn't make you giggle for 3 minutes straight. Let's talk about those early stages of love, aka the honeymoon phase. This is where the addiction gets real. Your brain starts releasing all those feel-good chemicals, and suddenly, even the bare minimum feels romantic. They text you, reached home, and you're like, they care. Relax. They just didn't die on the way back. That's it. Next thing you know, you're daydreaming about them everywhere while eating, working, scrolling, even while pretending to listen during Zoom calls. Love turns your brain into a full-time radio station that plays one song. Thinking About You, remix. And let's not forget the classic. When you start seeing signs that don't exist. They like your Instagram story? That's destiny. They accidentally heart react your message? Bro, they're in love. Calm down, Sherlock. Sometimes people's fingers just slip. But here's the funny part. No matter how messy, confusing, chaotic, or downright stupid love gets, we still chase it like it's the last slice of pizza. Why? Because even though love is an addiction, it's the type that makes life feel a little more magical, a little louder, a little crazier, and honestly, a lot more fun. Yeah, love can break your heart. It can stress you out. It can make you do things you swore you'd never do, like sending long messages at 2 a.m. or retyping hey 37 times. But it also teaches you stuff. Patience, compassion, how to communicate, and most importantly, how to pick yourself back up when things fall apart. The truth is, love isn't about being perfect. It's about being real, being vulnerable, being stupid together sometimes. It's about choosing someone, even when life gets messy, and saying, hey, I'm here, chill, we got this. And yeah, love is addictive. But you know what? Sometimes the best things in life are laughing, good memories, hugs that feel like home, people who matter. So if you're in love, falling in love, or recovering from love, just remember this. You're not crazy. You're human. And your heart is just doing what hearts do. Being dramatic, but hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment telling me the dumbest thing you've ever done because of love. Trust me, we've all been there.